Hello friends and my beloved students. Welcome to Guru Ram channel. I am going to teach 7th standard first term contents for English medium students. Make use of it. Watch my videos continuously. Definitely you will be benefited. If you like this video, click subscribe button and also click bell button. You will get all notifications. Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss exercise 2.2 sums. First one, find area of rhombus PQRS shown in the figure. So here diagonals given. So we take it D1 equal to 16 centimeter and D2 equal to 8 centimeter. What is the area of rhombus formula? Half into D1 into D2 square units. So substitute D1 and D2 values. So half into 16 into 8. 1 2 is 2, 8 2s are 16. After multiply 8 8s are 64. So area of the rhombus 64 centimeter square. Second question. Here PQRS rhombus given. Here base equal to 15 centimeter and height equal to 11 centimeter. So here area of the rhombus base into height square units. So multiply 15 into 11, that is 165 centimeter square. That is area of a rhombus 165 centimeter squared. Second question, find the area of the rhombus whose base is 14 centimeter and height is 9 centimeter. So here draw one rhombus and mark it. For your verification only we do the drawing. Otherwise, if you know the formula, directly you write the formula. So base equal to 14 centimeter, height equal to 9 centimeter. So area of the rhombus B into H square units. So 14 into 9, that is 9 4s are 36, 3. 9 1 is 9, 9 plus 3, 12. So 126 centimeter square. Next one, find the missing value. Here D1 given and D2 also given. We have to find out the area of the rhombus. So D1 equal to 19 centimeter and D2 equal to 16 centimeter. So area of the rhombus half into D1 into D2. Substitute these values. So half into 19 into 16. Here also you cancel 1 2 is 2. 8 2s are 16. After multiply 9 8s are 72, 7. 8 1 is 8. 8 plus 7 15. So 152 centimeter squared is the area of the rhombus. Second sum given D1 and we have to find out D2. Area of the rhombus given. So what is the area of rhombus formula? Area equal to half into D1 into D2 square units. So here half into D1 is 26 into D2 equal to area 468. So here cancel it. 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6. Therefore D2 equal to 468. That 13 will come to the right hand side, divide. So by divide. So cancel it. 1 13s are 13. 3 13s are 39. Remaining 7 78. So 6 13s are 78. So answer is D2 36 meter. Next D1 we have to find, D2 given. So here also that same formula, area equal to half into d1 into d2 square units. So half into d1 we don't know. So and d2 is 12 equal to 180. So here also you cancel it, 112 is 1 2 is to 6 2s are 12. So d1 equal to 180 by 6. Cancel it, 1 6 is 6, 3 6 are 18, 0. So 30 millimeter. Next one, the area of a rhombus is 100 square meter. Length of one of its diagonal 8 centimeter. Find the other diagonal. So area of the rhombus, what formula? Half into d1 into d2. So here half into one of the diagonal given means we take it d1. So 8 into d2 the other diagonal equal to 100. So here 1 2 is to 4 2s are 8. So d2 equal to 100 by 4. Cancel it, 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, 20, 5 4s are 20. Therefore, the other diagonal is 25 centimeter. So it is in the shape of rhombus whose diagonals are given as 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. The surface of the sweet should be covered by an aluminium foil. Find the cost of aluminium foil used for 400 such sweets at the rate of ₹7 per 100 square centimeter. First, we will find out the area of rhombus shaped one sweet. So, area equal to half into d1 into d2 square units. So, half into here d1 is 4 and d2 is 5. So 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. So 2 5s are 10 centimeter square for one sweet. Therefore, we will find area of 400 sweets. Equal to 400 into 10 equal to 4000 centimeter square. Next, cost of aluminium foil for 100 centimeter squared equal to ₹7. 100 centimeter squared equal to ₹7. Therefore, we will find cost of aluminium foil for 4000 centimeter square. So, cost of aluminium foil for 4000 centimeter square. So, here 4000. So, that 100 will come to the right hand side, that is divide into 7. So 0 0, here also 0 0. 7 0 0, 4 7s are 28. Therefore, answer is ₹280. Objective type question. given the area of a rhombus with a side 4 centimeter and height 3 centimeter. So side and height given means so area of the rhombus formula B into H equal to 4 into 3 12 square centimeter. Next question. The area of a rhombus when both diagonals measuring 8 centimeter. Both diagonals means D1 and D2 same. So area of a rhombus half into D1 into D2 square units. So we write it half into 8 into 8. So 1 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8. 4 8s are 32 square centimeter. Here area of the rhombus given, length of one diagonal given, we have to find the other diagonal. Therefore area equal to half into D1 into D2 square units. Therefore we write it half into D1 32 and D2 we don't know equal to 128. Here cancel it, 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2, 6 2s are. Therefore D2 equal to 128 by 16. Cancel with 8 table, 2 8s are 16, 1 8 is 8, remaining 4 48, 6 8s are 48. Again 1 2 is 2, 8 2s are 16. Therefore answer is 8 centimeter. Next, height of rhombus we have to find out whose area given and side also given. So area 96 equal to B into H. B is 24. B means side, base, side. And H we don't. So H you keep it in right hand side. 96 by 24. Cancel with 6 table. 4 6 are 24. 1 6 is 6. 36 remaining. So 6. Here again cancel. 1 4 is 4. 4 4s are 16. Therefore answer is 4 meter. The angle between the diagonal of rhombus. Always the diagonal of rhombus bisect at right angles only. Right angle 90 degree. Thank you students. We will see in next class.